Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from Dulotec company, model K904. Total length is 20 cm, blade length is 8.5 cm, blade thickness is 3 mm, the steel of the blade is M390, it's a high-class Austrian powder stainless steel, tempered to 60 HRC, keeps the sharpness perfectly, full flat grind, stone wash finish. On one side is the name of the manufacturer, Dulotec, and M390, on the other K904, opening with double-sided thumb stud, the knife runs on ball bearings, the handle is made of titanium, the clip is also made of titanium without any motif, very good elasticity. I like these blue anodizations. This blue sleeve here has a hole for paracord. In summary, another premium class knife from Dulotec company. Simple and classic, I will say legendary. The mechanics works perfectly. Very well made knife with attention to details, minimalism, even rawness dominates, and at the same time the knife has character. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.